Hey everyone, Brielle here with Rick's Review Hub. Craving Pizzeria-Quality pies right in your backyard? Today we're firing up the Gozney Dome S1 pizza oven, a gas-powered beast that cooks 16-inch pizzas in just 60 seconds. This sleek oven is a game changer for pizza lovers and outdoor cooks. Stick around to see why it's a backyard must-have, and check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's break down the features. The Gozney Dome S1 is a propane-fueled oven with a quick-start rolling flame, hitting up to 950 degrees for restaurant-grade results. Its 30mm cordierite stone floor and dense insulation ensure even heat for perfect crusts. The oven measures 24.9 by 24.7 by 28.7 inches, weighs 107 pounds, and has a wide 16.1-inch mouth for easy pizza loading. It comes with a digital thermometer for precise temperature control, a detachable flue, and a burner guard. The intuitive controls make it beginner-friendly, and it's designed to cook multiple pizzas back-to-back with no downtime. Now, the pros. Users rave about the lightning-fast 60-second cook time, delivering crispy, leopard-spotted Neapolitan crusts. The wide mouth and spacious interior make sliding pizzas in and out a breeze, even for 16-inch pies. Reviewers love the sleek bone-white design, calling it a stylish centerpiece for patios. The heat retention is top-notch, letting you churn out pizzas for a crowd without losing temperature. One user said it outshines local pizzerias, and the setup is simple, ready in about 15 minutes with a two-person lift. There are some cons. Priced around $1,500, it's a big investment, and the 107-pound weight requires a sturdy stand, sold separately. Some users note it struggles to hit 950-degree wave in windy or cold conditions, topping out around 750-820-degree waves, which can affect cook times. The included cover is flimsy, so you'll want a heavier-duty one for outdoor storage. A few reported igniter issues, though Gozney's support is responsive. I recommend the Gozney Dome S1 for pizza enthusiasts or entertainers who want professional-grade results at home. It's perfect for backyard gatherings or serious home chefs, but casual cooks or those with limited space might find it overkill. Check our full review on the channel for more tips. Ready to bake epic pizzas? Grab the Gozney Dome S1 pizza oven using the link in the description for the best pricing through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional deals you won't want to miss. If this review helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to perfect pizzas!